Concentrate. Okay, this is unboxing and a short review for the DLINK hotspot mobile router. It supports the 4G LTE speed and it's modeled DWR 932C. I'm on vacation in Singapore and I bought this because I forgot to unlock my phone, and without my phone being unlocked, the iPhone actually refuses to accept the foreign SIM card that I bought. This is a SIM card that I bought here. It's pretty cheap. It's $12. It's good for 7 days and 100 gigabyte worth of data. It's from a local company called Singtel for Singapore Telecom, I guess. And yeah, so I cannot use this on my iPhone. So I bought this for about $70, 70 US dollars, or 108, I think, Singapore dollars. All right, so let's get going and unbox this. Okay, it's kind of hard. There you go. See what's inside. Okay, that's it. That's the box. You got some kind of open source GPL statement. So this router is probably run on Linux. You're required to have that GPL stuff. That's a quick installation guide and information and safety. And this is the actual router here. So this is again, it's a mobile or portable hotspot router. So you can put this in your pocket, have a SIM card in it, and it broadcasts Wi-Fi so that I can share it with myself and my family who is traveling with me. All right, so let's see what else is in here. So it comes with an adapter, and it comes with a battery, lithium-ion battery, I bet. I mean, I hope it lasts at least 10 hours or so. Yep. Oh, it's lithium polymer actually, and it's 2000 mAh. That's pretty good. And it comes with a micro USB cable that plugs into this adapter. All right, so I don't know why they give this two-prong electrical connect adapter, because this is actually not for Singapore. But anyway, I have a converter for it, so no worries. All right, so that's it. That's for the unboxing, and I'm gonna stop this video right now because I'm gonna separate into two. The next video is going to be where I put the SIM card and I go through the review and how to use it. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the next video if you want to see how it's being used. Okay, so this video is going to be the getting started guide, or the quick start, and the review, short review on the DLINK DWR something. I forgot. Hang on. Where's the box? It's the DWR 932C. Is a 4G LTE mobile router, or hotspot, personal hotspot router. It's also called the portable hotspot router. Okay, so this device will broadcast Wi-Fi, and you can share it up to 10 devices. And it uses a SIM card, and this SIM card has to have the data plan, and it's portable. It has this battery. It's good up to 10 hours of continuous usage. So you can put this in your pocket, and up to 10 devices can share all around you, up to probably about 100 feet, and so it's perfect for vacation. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how to use it. So I bought this SIM card in Singapore. It's $12. It has 100 gigabyte, and it's good for 7 days. It's 12 Singapore dollars, by the way. That's about $9 US dollars. So it came like this, and this is actually 3 sizes of SIM card in one. There's the big one, the medium one, and the micro. the micro is the one that we commonly use right now. Today is December 29th, 2019. So that's the smallest card is what we use typically in the iPhone or the newer Android phones. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna open this. There's a notch right here that you can put your fingernail into it, and so you just put your fingernail and start prying it open. So I think it's wide enough for you to put 2 fingers in there like that. It's kind of tough. There, once you got it pop open on one side, you're gonna just run your nail or finger all around and just pop the rest of it. Okay, all right, so this is what it looks like inside. So it has all the serial numbers. I think it's like a cell phone. It has the EMEI number also. I don't know why there's a SIM card. I mean, I'm sorry, a micro SD card that you can put in here. I guess maybe you can program it or something. But this is the socket here that you're interested in. So it takes the full size SIM card, just like this, just this orientation right here. And what you do is, this originally came locked. It means that this is on the, I think, the top position like this. And what you want to do is take your fingernail and then you push it down. That will unlock it, and then you can swing that open like that. All right, once you get that open, you take your SIM card, and the notch is pointing up to the left, and you would just, oops, sorry, trying to do this. You would put it down like that, and it would fit exactly inside the plastic template. So it should fit exactly along the borders of the bracket, and then you should be able to just close it really nice like that, and it should be flush. And then you will take your fingernail again, make sure it's pressed down, and then you would squeeze it, you would press it up, and it will click like that. Now this is locked. Okay, it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay, next, take this battery with the 3 contacts there, matching with this 3 contacts right here. And you put it just like that and down. So this is a lithium ion battery, and then you should be good to go. And then now we'll close it back. This is an indicator where your fingernail was to open it. So you want to make sure that you also align that to the grooves. Where is that thing at? I think it's on this side. Yeah. Where you're going to be able to reopen that again. Just like that. And we are ready to power it up. So the power button is the one on the left. So I'm just going to press that for like 3 seconds. And the green light turns on. And I think it's doing some registration to the carrier right now. It takes about I don't know how many seconds exactly, maybe 20-30 seconds for the rest of the LED light to show up. But they'll start showing up soon. I think it's better this way. Yeah. All right, so it just turned on. So once it's on, this is the signal indicator. So right now I have 3 bars. Wi-Fi is on, data is on, and the power is on. The blue indicates that everything is running fine and you have internet. If it's green, I think it doesn't have internet, but every time I see blue, I seem to have internet, so it's all good. I forgot to show you one more thing. All right, so let's try to connect and I'll show you. So when you're trying to connect, it will show up as DLINK DWR 932C blah blah blah. I think the last 4 digit is going to be different depending on your serial number, I think. So if I select that from my Wi-Fi, it's going to ask me for a password to connect to this device, and the password is actually under the battery So I'm gonna have to open it again. So this is the default password. It's under the battery cover, and of course once you are connected, you can go to your browser and go to 192.168.1.1, I think, and then you can manage this device, I think using the same password, I believe. I'm not sure. But you can go there and you can probably change this password to whatever you like it to be. But for now, I'm just going to use that password. That password, this only pertains to my hotspot. I don't think this is going to work with every single DLINK hotspot router. V capital P 37984. There you go. Join. Perfect. You see how fast that was? It connects like that, like just snap. Okay, I'm connected, and let's try to browse somewhere. Look at that, it's just super fast. Let's search for Singapore, just to show you how fast it is. Look at that, super fast, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, so everything is working great. Wi-Fi is good, and this device is working. Like I said, if you read the manual, you can manage this device once you're connected to it by visiting http://192.168.1.1 and look for the user ID, username and password in the manual. You know what? Let me just look it up right now just to complete the video. Yeah, this is a quick install guide. Hang on a second. Sorry about that. Should have looked it up before. The default username is admin and the password should be blank. Okay, so it's actually 192.168.0.1, not 1.1. Okay, that's the default for DLINK devices. So you go to 192.168.0.1 from your browser. You should be able to manage the device, and I'm pretty sure you can change the default password for the Wi-Fi, so that the rest of the people that you want to share with do not have to enter this crazy long password. All right, that's it for this video. I really like this device. I would give it a 8 or 9 out of 10. The cost is also pretty decent. It's $70 US. I think that's pretty decent, and it lasts 10 hours, and you can share it up to 10 people. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this useful, please give it a thumbs up and share. If you need, or you're gonna be traveling and you need to have a hotspot router, please share this video, or you know somebody who's gonna be traveling, share this video, make sure they watch it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself